So for the first hairstyle, I'm taking a few strands of hair from both the sides of my head and tying them together. Then I'm taking the bunch of hair and putting it through the loop and pulling it under it. And that's it. For the next hairstyle, take a bunch of hair from the side of your head and braid it. Then pull them apart to create some volume like so. Then wrap it around the top of your head and pin it to the other side. This hairstyle works better for long hair. Now do the same thing for the other side and wrap it over the top of your head. And there you go, look at her showing off her hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is a French braid, in which you normally plait your hair and keep adding section to it from each side like so. Next, finish it off with a normal braid at the end, and that's it. If you want, you can also just tie it in a ponytail and leave it just like that. For this next hairstyle, take two pieces of hair from two sides of your head and braid them. Then tie them to the back of your head, tuck the ends into the braid and pin them. And that's it. For the next hairstyle, take hair from both the sides of the head and tie them together. Then split it into 3 sections and curl the hair inwards and pin it as shown. Do the same for the second section and for the third section. Now, take 2 sections of your hair from both the sides of your head again and tie them together. Then tie another knot a little away from this one and then part the piece of hair between the 2 knots and pull it through it, as shown. Then slowly push it inward and upward to create a bow like this. It looks simple, but it looks like you put a lot of work into it. Take a section of hair from the top of your head and then do a French braid, adding strands of hair through the process. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep braiding and then tie it, and that's it. For this hairstyle, take a piece of hair from the side of your head and twist it. Then pin it to the back of your head. Then take a piece of hair from the other side of your head, do the same thing, and then pin them both together. For this, take some hair from the side of your head and start braiding it. Do the same with the... Why is your face like that? Do the same with the other side and then tie it into a ponytail. Remove the rubber bands and then spread your hair over the ponytail like this and put a rubber band over it to form a bun. This will take a few tries and that's it. And that's it.
And don't forget to like and leave a comment down below.
Bye.